The Huawei Watch Fit 4 and Fit 4 Pro have a stopwatch. So to use it, just press on the crown, and then from this main menu, you want to find the stopwatch. So here it is. It comes pre-installed on the watch, so you can tap on it anytime, and then just to start your stopwatch, just start by tapping on the play icon, and it's gonna start counting, and it will count, and you can see the counter animation and also the digital time that it's counted so far. Now at any time you can tap on that and then start a new timer, so I mean stopwatch. So for instance, if someone is running round laps, you can just go and just start a new lap like that, another lap just like that, and then you can pause at any time, and then you can see here the total time and the lap times separate. So that is basically how to use the stopwatch on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.